Maybe we can put on America's Funniest Video. Look at him.
Show him that red cup. See, it's the red cup. He let it gets it.
It is probably, huh?
Get closer.
I wonder what it is. He wants
Come back over here like you did, because he'd follow you. Look at him. He likes you.
And cementing the crown, but there's, and you'll just have to balance it.
He is so cute. He really likes you. Look at him.
no.
He likes you.
Oh, he likes that thing too.
Yeah, that's why he likes you, I think, is the glasses.
On the number 30, interest will pay 9% of this.
Okay, then we can pretend we can like kind of go back in reverse, and we'll pretend that we just got here and he hasn't seen us yet.
Okay.
Like so, whatever he does, you know, it'll be like, oh, here she comes in.
Okay, now go.
Oh, now?
Yeah.
Oh, I just walked in. Look at that bitch. Hey. No, you gotta wait till he's back there and then races towards the
He likes you. He's cute.
Yep, yep. All
Let's see if
right.
he likes me.
Okay, Sienna.
Wait till you see the other one that's like watching it all.
Yep.
I think he likes the sparkles on her glasses.
Hey.
Isn't he cute? He deserves to have a name.
I think he likes the red. Monkeys at the zoo do.
It was discharged because it was
Do you like me?
on, they had it cleaned.
Make him say yes.
Okay, we're ready. It's just first words. Okay.
Do you like me? We gotta make one of our characters like him.
It is a red cup, huh? Maybe, sort of. The monkeys at the zoo, you wear a red dress to the zoo and they go nuts.
Really?
Yeah, they do.